Hello, this is Dillon with LAN Displays, and I'm here to talk to you about our wonderful RSO panel. This panel is a outdoor, high brightness installation panel. What's really unique about this is that we have a USA patent on our locking mechanism. This is one of the things that make us very unique in the American market, is that we have a design patent that allows us to quickly install this frame and panel and module with one click. It allows us to quickly install everything for any system, for an indoor or outdoor actually. We focus in the high brightness and fine pixel pitch. So anything from 1.25 to 2.5. So 5,000 nits, always on high brightness. So we focus all outdoor high brightness stuff.